These are Soundcore P20i by Anker, apparently the best budget-friendly earbuds that you can get. Now, Anker really made its name selling some of the best power bricks and energy solutions of all sorts, and now they've entered the ever-competitive headphones and earbuds game. And before we get into the box, it's worthwhile to mention that upon research for good wireless earbuds, Anker products were some of the highest rated ones that I could find. So I'm excited to see how these hold up. So here's the box, and these are apparently true wireless earbuds, so there's no wire, no tether, nothing. So there's an Anker app that you can connect these to, and you can do all sorts of things like adjust the bass, the treble, and all sorts of sound adjustments. And there are even 22 presets that you can play with. Whichever ones you like, you can pick. These are IPX5 waterproof. They have 30 hours playtime, which is not bad for the price point. Incredible sound. So these have 10mm drivers, which should be good. And here's the back. So here's what you get inside the box. The earbuds themselves, the charging case with a lanyard, I suppose, and small, medium, and large ear tips, and a USB-C cable. I like the fact that they're including USB-C instead of the old-fashioned, good old micro USB cable. So that's good. More compatibility with other devices, and powerful sound with 10mm drivers, AI enhanced calls with 2 mics on each of the earbuds, I suppose. Customized experience with Soundcore app, like I said before. We'll check that out as well. 10-hour playtime, 30-hour with charging case. Okay, so 10 hours is still not bad considering I think this is continuous playtime. And waterproof. These are nice, so sweat shouldn't be a problem. And here's the bottom. So let's get into the box. Oops. Yeah, the box is not doing too well. Alright. That's it. I'll put that to the side. And this apparently is a quick start guide. I will look at that later. USB-C cable, USB-C to USB-A. This is good. This is not too bad of a cable. And my previous experience with cables coming with these earbuds have been horrible. Cables this thin. So this is actually not bad. It's good. And some spare ear tips. And the lanyard already attached to the charging case. And that's it for this. We'll put it to the side. Alright. So let's open up the charging case. Came nicely wrapped up. Take this off. And it's plastic. It actually, to the touch, does not feel as cheap as I thought it would. Okay. A very nice magnetic feel to it. A very sleek form factor, which I gotta say was something that I was really looking for because I hate when they're bulging out of your ear. So very nice. The Soundcore logo. So this is like a matte and gloss finish. And I think it looks quite nice with the charging pins. And I'm gonna put this on and see how they fit. Okay, so I gotta say they fit really nicely, but one thing that I might have liked better, maybe even this part being matte, so it's not gonna show a lot of those fingerprints. So yeah, it's gonna get dirty quite. It's gloss, so it's gonna get dirty. Maybe I would have liked that better if it was all matte, but not complaining. I really like the form factor. So and this is the second one. And it's quite light, not to the point where they feel cheap. And I'm all for it. I like some weight to my technology, even phones. I'm not a fan of super ultralight tech, so I think this hits the spot right there. So I'm gonna do a sound test, and I'll let you guys know what I think, and I'll show you the app as well, the presets, and okay, the light's on. Yeah, the top part is it's okay. It's just a layer of plastic, but it's not too bad. I've seen worse. Given the price point, this is actually not bad at all. But everything else here, it actually feels really nice to the touch, and it's got like a good weight to it with the lanyard. So this is the app, and within this section of the app, you can customize what actions you want on each earbud. So let's say a single click would pause music, or a double click would change the track, or all sorts of things. So this is actually quite handy. And here are all the presets with different EQ settings, with like a boosted bass, or if you don't want to go through the hassle of making your own, you can just cycle through these. Anyone you like, you can just set that as default and enjoy. So I really like this, and I know some of the more expensive brands that offer this, and I gotta say, for this price point, I am quite impressed. And even if I take the price point away, this app is actually really well made. So after doing a sound test, I gotta tell you, these do sound amazing, and one of the best parts about them is they don't fall easy, so that's a very big plus. And the bass is actually quite nice, like it hits you. I am actually quite impressed with the form factor, with the quality. It is plastic, but it's very good quality. It's not bad at all. I've seen worse for more than what I paid for these. I like the case. It's not too bad. Just its top plastic isn't too impressive, but it's serving the purpose. It has one LED indicator light, so you know when it requires charging, or it's full, it's done charging, and that's it. And that Type-C connector at the back, and that's it. There you have it, folks. These are the Soundcore P20i's by Anker. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time.